Ang ganda ng reason.
Flat football.
Allergies. You can say allergies. That's a tip.
Allergies.
Yes.
Ako, maraming babaeng
Charlotte.
Makati. Ay, ina-allergies. Sorry, allergies.
Oh, sorry, your question. Yung question ko is, what will qualify me to have a boys' night out with you?
What?
Off the record.
Yun na.
Anong gusto mo? Yun all the way?
Oh my God.
Or sensation lang?
Kasi may sensation lang.
Seduction lang daw.
Diba?
Ano ba budget natin?
Magkano budget? Maganda naman kayo pag-usapan lahat eh.
Depende sa kung anong kaya.
Mahirap yun. Depende. Ako nagtanong eh.
Hindi, ano yun, like bonding with you guys.
Hindi, alam mo, just what qualifies is just to be yourself. Yun lang.
Yeah, just...
No need to I think that's what made the show, and what makes it easy to approach boys now is that hindi mo kailangan magpa-ganito magpina. Basta just be yourself. Be sincerely, yourself.
Kami mag-adjust. Kami I think everyone saw that 2 years ago when we had Jojo, the Love Survivor, the suicidal. Kagaya di Oro, IT programmer na hindi mo mag-English, wala siyang barkada,
medyo slow.
Came on the show after he called to suicide attempt. Now he's part of the show. Now he's sikat. He's actually more sikat than...
He has a movie. He has a movie this MMF.
You know, so he's on the show every Thursday. His name is Harlow Nicolas Solde from Cagayan de Oro.
He's in the Aswang movie.
Kubot?
Kubot.
Yeah, he's there.
Which one?
He's the right hand of Ramon. He's the police officer.
Sige, we'll look.
Yung mataba.
Si Bogar.
Si Bogar.
Si Bogar.
Ay, iba pa si Bogar.
June? Sabay to, tabaki Bogar.
He's called Jojo.
You'll see him.
Oh,
This is his debut.
Yeah.
Because we were there yesterday.
Oh, then you saw him. Oh,
No, he wasn't there.
He wasn't
He wasn't
there.
there.
He went to Silio for his sister's wedding.
He wasn't
kami
there.
sa press con nila.
Yeah, well, hindi siya umabot sa press con. But for a guy who doesn't speak English, he doesn't have any friends. We treated him the same way we treat everyone. And I think people see that. And he's always with us.
Yeah,
Anak ko na yun eh.
like for you, if you want to hang out with us, you just hang out with us. If you see us,
First time he was at BGC was 2 years ago. He's never been to BGC. I took him to Virgo Circle. Akala niya Vegas na.
Oh my God.
Sabi niya, ganito pala sa Las Vegas. Tapos nakapunta ka ng Las Vegas, hindi pa. Sabi mo eh. Paano mo na-compare?
I see the movies. Was there a time ba na you regret the advice that you give?
No, I think it's more on, ang galing kong magbigay ng advice. Mali ko nagagawa sa buhay ko. I think that's our greatest, probably, well, for me. You can always get the best advice.
Paradox.
But to actually use it yourself is something else. Yeah. It's like yung magaling na mekaniko, tapos yung kotse niya, bulok siya.
Hindi niya maayos yung coach niya.
Or yung doktor na magaling na tao, tapos siya, masakit. So I think with us, well, for me, I don't know if there's any advice I've given I regret. No. So we always give choices naman. We don't say you have to. I don't know if there's you regret anything you've said on there.
Ayun nga, when you give advice sa spa, you use logic or experience?
Both.
Hindi na una yung...
So sometimes you just have to take it from your experience. Because you say, oh, I've been through that. So at least it becomes personal. And then the person that you're talking to, they'll say, okay. Say, Tony went through it, so okay. It's okay. I'm not the only one that went through it.
And we try to make every listener want to share their story. We don't want to judge right away. Because we know what's right, what's wrong, fine. But to actually have someone, there's a reason behind, as Sam said, lahat tayo, we do things for a certain reason. mali, tama, you're gonna do it. And we're just the medium for you to express.
Sabi nga nila, lahat ng tao, galit sa kabit. Pero, magugulat ka na you can't, sabi nila, lahat galit sa kabit. Pero, once you're in that situation, nag-iiba lahat. Doon mo lang maintindihan kung bakit mapayag mo yung kabit ang kabit. Sobrang lalim na.
I got it.
We all got lost there.
Where is it taking us? Ano ba nangyari? Ininjan ko kayo lahat.
Parang yun,
Parang na 1, 2, 3 tayo.
Oo, ano?
traffic enforcer na hindi alam yung location. Ano ba sa ano?
Diretso lang.
Kanan ka. Tapos kaliwa. Tapos kanan ulit.
Ang hirap
Tapos you
itawid.
ask whoever's there.
Tanong mo sa bahay.
Ang hirap itawid.
Hindi ko na mauulit.
Hindi na talaga.
Pati ako hindi ko na mauulit.
What's your, marami na kasi kayong radio advisors right now, di ba? So, what's your edge over them? Apart from, I don't know if Papa Jack has a...
I think everybody has their own style naman. Like Papa Jack, I mean, I'm a fan. I listen.
Chico and
everybody, meron naman kanya-kanyang. I guess our edge is we give even kami, iba, if you know, even if you listen to the show, iba yung advice na bibigyan ni Slick, kahit isang caller lang yan. Iba advice na bibigyan ni Slick, iba yung advice na bibigyan ni Tony, minsan iba yung advice na bibigyan ko. So, in terms of style, it really, yun nga, reflects on your logic and your experiences na rin.
So more heads are better than one.
Malaman yan,
Yes.
statement mo, ha?
Yes.
Yan ka na naman sa mga statement mo.
Heads.
Hilig ka talaga sa heads. Heads.
Huwag ka na mag-deny, okay lang.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for
Thank you, guys.
coming.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.